Here we are with day 2 operators. In this challenge, you will work with arithmetic operators. Check out the tutorial tab for learning materials and an instructional video. Okay, so with operators, what it wants us to do is 12 tip percent equals 20. Okay, so real cost equals 12 tip percent with 20%, and with tax percent is 8. So the calculation would be the tip would be the real cost multiplied by 20 on 100 equals 2.4, let's say dollars, and then the tax rate is 8. So 12 the meal would be 12 by or multiplied by 8 on 100 equals 96 cents. The total cost would be 2.4 plus 0.96 plus the 12, so we're talking about $15.36. If we round it, it would be 15. We round total cost to the nearest dollar integer and then print our result. Nice. Okay, so we will solve it over here. The tip equals meal cost multiplied by the tip percent divided by 100. Okay, then we got the tax equals tax percent multiplied by real cost multiplied by tax percent divided by 100. Now we should return the round number of meal cost. Okay, meal cost plus tip plus tax. Okay, this should do it. Let's run the code now. Wait, what? He wants me to print it, not return it. Okay, so just print this instead of returning. Let's run the code now. And we are good to go. Let's submit the code. And we passed. Yeah, nice. Okay, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Yep.